Director for International Recruitment Consultancy. I come from Scotland. I have been here before for a free training, and I came back today for one-to-one training.
My name is Allan. I'm a director of International Recruitment Agency, a company that we recently started. We come from Scotland, both me and Martha. I came for the initial recruitment startup a week ago, and this time I've come back for the training which was given by Joe Davis. He's marvelous. What I gained today is potential enough information enough for us to start next week. So we gained enough knowledge and information. The software is amazing, and we've already started our website so that we can get our leads sending their CVs, such that we start our recruitment job next week, and we'll be recruiting locally first, and then we go international after we have raised enough capital to be traveling all over the world. Our projected income is supposed to be around 20,000 from a job in which they've made one single call to a client, to a candidate, and we got it straight away. So we're waiting to finish up, and what he told us in the training is exactly what happened. It was just one call, and the candidate accepted, was it?
Yes. He just made one phone call, and when I heard him talking about it the last time, I didn't believe it. It was too good to be true, but today I witnessed that myself, because he did make that one phone call and it went through, and it's just mind-blowing, and I can't believe that we are just going to start, and we are waiting for our first client to get back to us now.